What's up, guys? Welcome to Lansky's Android Online Academy. This video is an introduction of our online training here for Android Studio development or Android programming in general. Let me first drive home the point between the advantages of Android programming as against focusing on other programming languages. For example, others focus on web development, others focus on desktop application development like for Visual Studio Tools. So the great difference is that usually in other programming languages or in other aspect of programming like web development and desktop application development, for example C#, .NET, you usually do it for a certain employer or usually do it for a project basis, and you get paid for that as an employee, as a freelancer in a certain project. Well, that's good, but when it comes to Android programming, there is an additional benefit. You still have the benefit of one doing projects, and or you can do it as an employee when you are regularly paid for your services. But there's another factor that provides you with a different source of income when it comes to Android Studio programming or Android programming. You can set up your own Play Store account on the Google Play Store and launch your own apps under your name. And if you put advertisements or in-app purchases inside your app, or you just have your app as a paid application, although that's not the really suggested model nowadays, you get another source of income. Usually that's a form of passive income for you, in addition to being paid on a per project basis. So that's the most important point here. Even if you lose your job or you get no projects anymore, all the online applications that you have launched on the Play Store, you have published on the Play Store as an Android programmer, would earn passive income for you on a monthly basis, even when you're asleep, even when you are sick, even when you're on vacation. So it is really important to have that two sources of income so that you won't have any problems paying for your bills in the event that there's some lean times during certain months that you don't have projects, or you have decided to resign from your employment. Whenever you reach a stage that the passive income from your Play Store account is more than enough to sustain you on a monthly basis. So let's go ahead and start learning Android programming. Thank you.